Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on ZTE Blade A73. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on digital well-being and parental control. Now you have to scroll down and click on set up parental control. Now click on get started and here select child or teen. Now click next. Now click create account for your child and then select Google. Now you have to log into your account, so let me do that off screen. And now click I agree. Now click more and I accept. Now you have to select this account that you just logged into, and here you have to type in your parental email. And now you have to type in password, so let me do that off screen. Now click more, 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 more. And then click agree. Oh, sorry, you have to type in password again to your child account. Then click agree. Now you have to click on allow. And your accounts are now being linked. Now click retry. Okay, now click next. And now you can click on get more controls with family link app, and now you can on your parental device install this family link app. So let me do that just now. And now here you can do a lot of things for your child, such as you can set up day limit, you can set up downtime, you can set up limits and such things. You can also check location of your child. And this app just gives you way more options than regular parental control. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.